Okay, so now you know a little bit more about the theories about why we dream. A couple of other fun facts. Most dreams can last about 5 to 20 minutes, but they usually don't last too much longer than that because your body drops out of REM sleep. It used to be believed that people only dreamt in black and white, but it turns out that's not true. And even though you might not remember dreams, everybody dreams several times a night. And just because you doesn't remember them doesn't mean that you don't do it. People who have been blind have dreams that are formed from other senses. So they don't see images like sighted people do. Instead, it's based off of touch, smell, and sound. When somebody is snoring, you know they're not dreaming. And also, if you've heard of cow tipping, turns out that isn't really a real thing because cows, elephants, and some other animals might sleep while they're standing up during non-REM sleep, but they sit down while they are experiencing actual REM sleep. Okay, for the next part in this activity, you're actually going to go to the Dreaming discussion board on Schoology. Okay, you'll find it inside the Unit 3 folder, and the Dreaming discussion board is going to have you examine an article that goes into a little bit more detail about dreams. Okay, there are 4 different options. You do not have to read all 4. You can if you want, but you only have to read one. Inside of Schoology, you'll find a short description about each of the articles. And after you read that article, you're going to answer these 4 questions in the discussion board. So you'll just type it right into Schoology. Then after you post your own findings, you need to reply to another student's work who read a different article than you did. Okay, so if you read the first option, which is about interpreting dreams, you're going to write that down for the answer to number 1. And then after you answer the other 3, you will find somebody who read a different article and reply to them saying, oh, that's interesting, or I didn't know about that, or I did know about that. Okay, so this video is about to end. I want you to head over to Schoology, click on the Dreaming discussion board, and do that activity. Okay, so you're going to take a break from the notes, head over to the Dreaming discussion board, and when you're finished, you'll come on back and we'll talk more about sleep disorders. Okay, I'll see you after you finish that activity.